Welcome to Tiny Dale. Today we are going to make a wristwatch.
So let's get started. We are using
Okay.
waste plastic
cup. Yes, then we are just drawing numbers in it. We are going to do dark later. Oh no, the gray. Okay, pink. Okay, that's great. So now we are going to color.
And we are almost done. We are just giving a finish with using a tissue paper.
Yes, so that's so exciting.
It looks smooth, yes?
Yes, it's so smooth. Okay.
Now let's number it.
Dark number. Let's make it dark. So let's count. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
And we are done with the numbers.
Yes, and okay, so this is the table. So look, what is this? Okay, we are marking some lines.
Just to make the wrist.
Yes.
To fix it on the wrist.
Yes.
The band.
Yes.
Let's cut it out.
Okay. We are done. The cutting. No, a little more on the. Okay. So this is one side done. Okay. So we are making a wristwatch.
The other side maybe?
Yes,
I think we are done with making the band.
Yes. Okay, we are done.
Now we are trying to trace out the tiny hands.
Yes, a tiny, so tiny, mini cute.
Like we learned in the analog clock video, you can check in the playlist.
Yes, you can check.
There are two hands. Which are these hands? Can you please tell?
The small one is the hour hand and the big one is the minute hand.
Okay.
I know. Okay.
Let's cut it out.
Yes, let's cut it out. Okay, cutting song. Cutting song. Cutting.
We are almost done with our hands.
Almost done. I'm so excited for the wristwatch to be done.
It's stuck.
Oh no! Oh, it's not. It's a little bit not stuck.
Now we are trying to fix out the hands in the watch.
And the pinchy thing, something.
Yeah, correct.
Yes, correct. It's stuck again. Okay.
Oh.
That watch fell down. Okay, so we're trying to fix.
I think we will fix it up. What do you think? Yeah, we are done and it's moving. Let's check out. Wow. Now let's fix it up.
Okay.
Now we are giving the perfection to the band thing with the yellow tape.
Yes.
To give it a finish maybe.
Just like decorate.
It's so simple to decorate, yeah? We can make it out with the things at the home.
Yes. Okay, so I'm so excited it will be done. Then I want to know how it will look. Okay.
It's a cute art which you can try out with your kids at home. Just be careful with the pinty pointy things.
So please take the elders for help. Okay, so we just stuck it just. Okay.
We are done.
No.
Here comes the King, Victorian. Have you seen the video of him?
It was a birthday video. You can check in our playlist. Sorry. It's so funny. Okay. So it's stuck.
It's stuck. Video.
No, it's stuck. Okay.
Here.
Done.
Wristwatch is ready.
Yay.
Wow.
This is so cool.
If you like our video, please
like, share and subscribe and click the bell.